we have these are foreign nationals who are in the habit of attempting to acquire Ugandan passports fraudulently. Some of them are aided by Ugandans, and others do it on their own. So we have one Ishime Gadiel. Where is this Ishime? This gentleman is the one I talked, is a Burundian who claimed to be originating from Chiruhura district, whereas not. Is a Burundian national who came here through some people here and managed to acquire a Ugandan passport. So he was arrested at Busia, attempting to use a Ugandan passport to fly to Germany. This gentleman. Then the second one is Saunders. Saunders is this gentleman here is he calls himself Damba. Damba, I don't know from which clan of Uganda. From Mamba, but he doesn't know a single thing from his clan. From Choka, he calls himself a Damba. So we actually recovered some of these documents